So I may have bought in something, could have been something stupid. It's going to be something stupid, or it's going to be revolutionary for my gaming experience. Well, I ended up getting scared a little bit. I almost backed out from it, and let me show you why. I ended up ordering it from eBay.com. It's from a third-party seller called Pop Market, as you can see right here. The first day that I ordered it, I was like, cool, nothing too big. Cool, maybe they'll send the tracking number. And the next day, never sent, so I sent a message saying, hey, could I get a tracking number? After that, one day goes by, I ended up putting cancellation, and I was like, I kind of thought about it while I was at work. I was like, hey, yeah, my bad, I didn't mean to put the cancellation in. But like a day after, they ended up sending a damn tracking number for it. And the only way you could get a GameScent is from their website. So their website, it either takes you from TikTok, takes you to TikTok, or to Amazon. No eBay, but it turns out this seller might be a legit seller. And that's why I got a little spooked. So, if you're wondering what GameScent is a... it's not a gimmick, it's more like an extra set of tools to make you feel more immersive for your games or movies or shows. Let me show you a little bit of it. This is what the starter pack comes with originally. The starter pack comes with gunfire, racing, explosions, forest, storm, and one more. It comes with 6 of them. And it was clean air, if I think right. Clean air, and we can see what's coming out pretty soon. Right now, what we have available is gunfire, explosion, forest, clean air, storm, and racing cars, which is what comes with it already, which is the hence 6 cents. The future that is currently coming out or trying to come out, they're working on is blood, ocean, sports, and arena, and of course fresh cut grass, which is going to be cool if you do any farming simulator or anything like that. No, let's seriously stop and think about this real quick. Just imagine smelling the forest and the rain and the storms in Elden Rings, or just smelling the damn gunpowder every time you shoot a gun. Or imagine smelling the blood, or how a subway smells. Or just smelling the oils of the machines moving on the horizon. It's just crazy what technology has come to. So we're gonna find out exactly what this thing could do. So finally got the package in. Here it is. This is the GameScent. Well known for the AI for movies and shows and games. So let's go ahead and crack it open, or unless you guys want to see the box. Oh, the camera. This is the box. GameScent, nice and fancy. Let's go ahead and open it up. Ooh. Okay, now it's downloading. Let's go ahead and take this out. Got that. Ooh, fancy. Okay, we got the main atomizer and the scents and whatever the hell this is. Go ahead and get this out of the box. See you guys in a few. Okay, so here's everything outside of the box. So everything that comes with it: atomizer, the scent bottles, audio system adapter, and the accessories, wherever the hell that is. Movie scent. Okay, so I'm here on the app. It's asking me movie scent or GameScent. So this is a GameScent. So we're gonna select GameScent. Okay, load the scent bottle, step 1. I don't have anything to open it. I lied. Totally had something to open it with. So, as I was telling you about, this is the 6. We actually have gunfire, explosion, clean air, racing cars, storm, and forest. Pull out gunfire. Let's go ahead and pull out gunfire. So this is gunfire right here. Let's see what it smells like. Very strong. It smells like, it really does smell like cannabis. Explosions. Next up would be explosions right here. This right here is explosions. Let's take a fucking smell of this thing. Not bad. It smells like a card cherry. But yet again, I have no idea what an explosion smells like. Racing cars. Straight up smells like goddamn. It smells like straight up cars. Like old oil. It smells like extremely old oil. So that by this is forest. A little bit clear. Yeah, that's definitely. It smells like. Here comes the fifth, which is Storm. Storm is the fifth one. Not bad. It smells like. Obviously, this is concentrated, so it smells like fucking baby oil. Diddy baby oil. And the final one, which is a clean air scent. Absolutely just clear. It's clear liquid. Oh, that smells good. That smells pretty damn good. Oh. Like so. It got a whole lot heavier now. It's moving on to the audio. Turned it on. Okay, so I set all the audio face up. I set all that up already. The video's running good. That's running fine. Now it's saying to connect the power. It's currently searching for the Atomizer. I think it found it. Successfully. And this is for PlayStation. It's currently connected here in the app here. Let's see. Will it focus? Probably not, but it does have the sense here. The sense. They're all saying 100%. Storm. Explosions. Let's do clean air. Whoa. God damn. Okay, but it works. Everything's solid and working. One way to test it down is by a game. Oh god. Okay. Where am I gonna go? I think that was racing. Because of the battle bus. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Strong gasoline smell, like old oil smell, which is really freaking awesome. Really awesome this smell. Okay, going down through the sky. The sky. Okay. Pretty awesome so far. Oh, that's pretty cool. Being able to smell the damn battle bus up there. Oh yeah, I definitely smell gunpowder. Gunfire. Makes sense, especially for the glider. Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay. The M&M gun. Nice. Okay. But that's the thing. In order to change the optic, I need to. I really need to. It doesn't matter if we win or lose.
Hostile confirmed. Hostile long gun neutralized. Watchdog helo incoming on your location. Back up. Launch counter UAV. Enemy UAV inbound.
Okay. I'm here in the forest. Let's go get some trees. Ah. Ooh. Let's test the GameScent real quick on Gunfire. Ah, there it is. Damn. Goddamn. Oh, cool. So after through all the testing with the GameScent from different games from Call of Duty, Fortnite, and 7 Days to Die, even with a little bit of movies just off camera, obviously I would say it's more preferred for video games. Do I think it's a gimmick? No. Do I think it's really awesome? Absolutely, I do. Out of a rating, I would say I'll give it 9 out of 10 stars on this product. Not just that it's not just a gimmick; it also has multiple uses. Other words, it's also a essential oil diffuser. So it's also looks beautiful in the home decor. It has a black with a blue essence of lights in it. Um, and then the best part is that even though the stock scents that do come with the GameScent currently is a little bit on the side of it, how it smells, you can always switch out those essential oils with other essential oils that you personally like. So the nice thing, it's all preference, so you could change the essential oils however you like. For example, I'm going to be buying a new pine forest scents, new gunpowder scents for it to actually smell like real gunpowder, not just weed. Nobody wants to be smelling a room that smells like cannabis, except for me. I mean, just me personally. The forest cat does, but doesn't smell like forest on it. Ocean, kinda. It smells more like an old man's perfume. And then clean air, it smells like Febreze. And then explosion smells pretty decent. But I would rather have that smell more like gunpowder and then its own separate thing. Racing cars, I absolutely love it. I love that scent. That one absolutely nails it around the hammer, which is literally old oil. If you ever worked on cars before and you have like oil on your hands, that rustic smell of oil and metal. That's what it smells like, which is great. Super awesome. I do like it. I do like the personal preference that you could go with this product. It is a bit pricey, but it's well worth it. You have a total of 6 atomizers or different essential oil diffusers that is connected by your phone with an app that is dedicated for the product that you buy, which is just extremely awesome. It's just a great way to be more immersive with your games. Especially if you want to do like a streaming thing, like, oh my god, I am more like, I can smell the forest type stream or something. But other than that, is it expensive? Absolutely. Is it worth it? Absolutely. I would say so, especially it being a big part of your home. You could just organize your diffusers however you want. Hey, you could be just outside about to come in, you could trigger one of these just coming inside, and boom, your house would be smelling awesome. So, and it holds up to 6 scents, 6 of them, so that's 6 different essential oils of your choosing that you could replace. I do recommend using the 100 milliliter glass bottles. I do not recommend throwing away any of the bottles that are empty from this thing, because you could just end up refilling them from the essential oils that you get. You could just fill them up from the bottle there, and boom, you're done. I also recommend buying probably more empty of the 100 milliliter glass bottles like this that comes with a kit, just for you to have more of a variety of scents. For example, if you want more of a blood smell, you want to order like a essential oil from Amazon that has blood or flesh rotten. There's a lot of options out there, but I definitely like this product. It's definitely awesome. Far as I'm aware, there is a version 2 of Storm of Forest. Right now, I'm sitting with version 1 of all scents. This is the first generation of the essential oils. The second generation just came out with 2 of them, which is Forest and Storm is the second version. You could buy that at moviescent.com. You could just buy it from there. It just goes right away into its plug and play for the GameScent, for MovieScent, so you don't have to mess with anything. I would say that's pretty much it that I have. It's a great product. I love it, and I'm gonna mess with it and see what's up. It's really awesome.